on 8 morning, one double murder case was reported at Fathoda police station, in which one Miguel Miranda and Katrina Pinto, age 85 years, was murdered by the three tenants who were staying in one of the rooms at the house of deceased. Thereafter, we had registered the crime under section 302, read with 34 IPC, and our investigation was in progress. During the investigation, on intelligence and some technical analysis, our team had proceeded to Dadar, Mumbai, and when we managed to detain 3 accused in this crime. Further, all the 3 accused were brought to Goa, and today they were produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class and remanded for 5 days police custody. And they will be produced on 16th morning before the Judicial Magistrate for further review.
So what's the motive behind this?
Motive is they were working for that disease, and as inquiry conducted, so motive is for that regarding the payment and all. So till now we had not interrogated properly, because today morning only they have brought. So we will conduct a thorough interrogation, and we will ascertain the exact motive in this case.
चोरयेचो एंगल कितें आहा पयशे भांगर तशें कितें म्हणून येला थंयच्यान बरयल्लें
Till now we are interrogating. Yes.